Let's make a balloon daisy together. Each daisy in your balloon and bash daisy kit requires 5 white and 1 yellow balloon, 1 plastic clip, and a handful of glue dots. First, inflate all of your white and yellow balloons. For the white balloons, use 2 to 3 pumps of air. Since the yellow balloon will be in the center, I like to make it a bit smaller than the white petals, so I release some of the air before tying my knot. Now you're ready to thread your balloons. Insert the neck of your first white balloon through the thin track at the edge of the first petal in your plastic clip. Make sure the knot of the balloon sits above the clip for a nice hold. Now do the same with the remaining 4 balloons in the remaining clip petals. Next, thread a yellow balloon through the only track that leads to the center hole of your clip. Turn your balloon daisy right side up and start applying glue dots in between each of the petals. Make sure to press the entire flower flat against your table as you go so that the flower is nice and even. This is what the back of your daisy will look like, and this is what the front will look like. Thanks for following along. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.